Consonant blends. Say the name of each picture and write the correct beginning blend below each picture. Plate, pram, plant, star, spoon, spider, slippers, slide, snail, drum, tree, dress.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.